As we are approaching the seal, this is actually a sea lion, and this is the corpse of a sea lion. I'm slowly walking toward the sea lion, which is actually decomposing all around here on the beach. As you will see now, there are stages of time when a corpse decomposes. At this time, it is already bloated, and now the seagull is actually tearing pieces of meat off this gigantic beast, which has actually died here on the beach. I am slowly and steadily approaching it so it does not fly away from this gigantic piece of meat. As you can see, the seagull is diving in and pecking its way into the meat. It is cleaning off the meat from the areas, and there is actually lots of blubber there. It has actually found its way You can see it now. It has eaten some of the flesh of this rotting, decaying sea lion. And as you can see, it has taken its share, and in a moment it might decide to fly away. I will try and approach a little bit closer, and it did fly away. Yes, it is flying away from us into the sea. Thank you. Bye-bye, Seagull.